Senate Committee on Finance with regard to the OPP's proposed budget for 2024. Panoodin lang po natin yung clip. In this particular segment, the Vice President Duterte was asked by Senator Risa Hontiveros about the confidential funds. Para makita po natin kung may alam po ba talaga si Attorney Lopez o wala doon sa confidential funds. Because I believe that the COS knows about all the confidential funds, especially yung pondong ito na napakalaki. And I will show you why. Sige, labas po natin.
Ang mga activities po na ito enumerated sa joint circular ay gagastusan ng confidential funds ng office nyo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, it varies. Not all the activities are the same for each day and each month. The liquidation of the confidential funds includes the enumeration of the use the Office of the Vice President.
Opisina ninyo will be gathering intelligence on certain subjects or entities in support sa inyong mandates o mga operasyon, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, that is correct. As an example, we did surveillance of complaints from constituents in Bulacan with regard to the selling of OVP assistance and the selling of TUPAD projects in Bulacan. And there was a surveillance operation that was run by the VP SPG for about a month. And we were able to apprehend the person and we were able to successfully prosecute the case, and that person went to jail for ilang months?
6 months.
For 6 months.
Right.
So that is an example of the surveillance activities that is conducted by the VP SPG for the projects and activities of the Office of the Vice
If you
President.
will notice in
It was
here,
in Bulacan.
Mr. Chairman, Attorney Lopez was always nodding, and at the same time whispering to the Vice President about the detail of the operation of the surveillance, particularly in the province of Bulacan. Having said that, that he was on top of the situation regarding that incident that happened in Bulacan. So much to say that alam din niya ang lahat ng detalye noong confidential funds. Now, tell me, Mr. Ortonio, walang alam si Attorney Lopez sa confidential funds?
Your Honor, if I may be allowed now to explain, I think...
Sagutin mo muna, then I will allow you to explain it. May alam ba si Attorney Lopez about the confidential funds? Having seen, yung kanilang investigation doon sa Senate about an incident, a detailed incident about the operation of the confidential funds in Bulacan, particularly. And that guy, Mr. Baloro, asa si Mr. Baloro, you were always nodding about the pronouncement of the Vice President. So may alam sila di ba? Now tell me, may alam ba si Attorney Lopez? Yes or no? And then I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, I cannot answer if Attorney Lopez knows of the activities where the confidential funds are being used.
You have seen, Mr. Ortonio, you have seen that video, di ba?
Yes.
The video will not lie. That the Vice President were asking about how many months, di ba? Sabi ni Attorney Lopez, 6 months. Di ba? And she was always nodding about the statements of the Vice President. So, action, di ba? That speaks louder than words, di ba? So, may alam ba siya? Wala.
Again, Your Honor...
Based on what you have seen.
Again, Your Honor...
Based on what you have seen.
Again, Your Honor...
Meron ba siyang alam sa confidential fund? Particularly on that issue?
Again, Your Honor, as far as I know, she does not know of any activities as she has mentioned.
Okay, you're trying to be evasive, Mr. Ortonio. You're trying to be evasive. We are warning you. Ah,
Again, Your Honor, can I give you a little bit of context on the video that was shown? Can I, Mr. Chair?
sige, go
Yes,
ahead.
please continue.
Yes. The matter that was shared earlier, the one kung saan na merong clip na pinakita no, during the Senate hearing, that case was actually reported to the office that we received that there was an incident where a person was pretending to be from the office of the vice president and nangihingi ng pera sa mga recipients, and it was reported, and we were able to share it with the VPSPG, and they were able to conduct surveillance and monitoring activities. That's the context of the clip that was shown. However, as to whether the confidential funds were used for that activities, again, I cannot answer for that, or I cannot answer if Attorney Lopez knows if that certain incident used confidential funds for the monitoring and surveillance of such incident.